Here we are seeing that the files are uploaded over here. The files are on the OneDrive. Now we will be seeing how we have to and what we have to ensure that the macros will run in that particular file. So first we need to ensure that the files are XLSM. The extension of the file is XLSM. So here we can see that these files are not XLSM. These are not macro enabled, but these files are macro enabled. So we can click those files and download them together. Right now, use this download button. Right now, I will just download one file over here. That is this file I downloaded. And then once I download the file, I just have to go to the folder over there where it has been downloaded. And from that folder, what I have to do is go to that particular file and either right click over here and go to the properties, or or there is one more option that you can directly use the shortcut key, that is alt enter. You can use the shortcut keys, and then you can use the unblock. This is very much important. Uh, if this is not there, the macros will not work. Okay, so now the unblock is gone. Now the macros will be working. Then you have to open the file, and here we can see in the file, once we go over here, this is the Microsoft exact micro enabled worksheet. Okay. So now you can just click on the enable content, and first thing you have to ensure over here is that the file has the developer tab. If the developer tab is not over here, then you can customize the ribbon. And after customize the ribbon, you should see to it that the developer tab is ticked. If it is ticked, then only the macros will work. And then you can go to the developer tab, can go to the micro security over here, and then you can see that the micro should not be disabled over here, at least to this level. Disable macros except digitally signed macros. You can keep it to this level. Don't keep it this. Don't keep it above this level for macros to function. Okay. So that's it from this video regarding the macros. Please ensure these steps for the micro to function. Okay, bye bye.